Good morning and welcome back to Maths Class children. Today we are going to start question number first E part of exercise 11.4 up to D part. I explained you earlier in the previous video. Let us start with E part of main question number 1. A bus travels at V kilometer per hour. The speed is V kilometer per hour and it is going from Daspur to Bispur. Okay, after the bus has traveled 5 hours, the Bispur is still 20 kilometer away. And what is the distance from Daspur to Bispur? What we have to find out? Question is E part of main question number 1, exercise 11.4. That what we have to find out? That is distance. Distance is question mark, that not given. And what is the formula to find out the distance? Distance is equal to speed into time. Speed into time. And here in the question what they have asked, what is the speed? V kilometer per hour. Okay, and V speed is V kilometer per hour. In how many hours he traveled? 5. So how much distance traveled in 1 hour? 5 hours. Okay, what we have to find out? Distance traveled in 5 hours. Distance traveled in 5 hours. That is 5V. But total distance, he is far 20 kilometer. Total distance, and this will become kilometer, distance in kilometer. Total distance from Daspur to Bispur. He is 20 kilometer away. That means this much distance he has traveled. That plus how much far he is from the Bispur. That is the total distance between Daspur and Bispur. So answer will be 5V plus 20 kilometer. Now let us start question number 2. First is over. Question number 2. Change the following statement using the expression into statements in ordinary language. For example, given Salim scores R runs in a cricket match, Nalin scores R plus 15 runs. In ordinary language, Nalin scores 15 runs more than Salim. This is the way. So, first, a notebook cost rupees P and a book costs rupees 3p. That means what you will write? A cost. I am just telling you, you have to write. I will not write in the board. I will explain you. That means the cost of this book will be 3 times. Okay, 3 times that of notebook. Okay, this is notebook and this is book. Cost of book will be 3 times the cost of notebook. Second, Tony puts Q marbles on the table. He has 8 Q marbles in the box. So, in the simple language, you will write ordinary language. Tony's marble in the box is 8 times the marbles in the or that he put on the table. Okay, how much marble he has put? 8 into Q. That means the number of marble putting in the box by Tony is 8 times the marble putting on the table. Now C part, our class has n student, the school has 20 n student. That means the number of students in the school is 20 times the students in our class. Now same way, Jagu is Z years old. His uncle is 4Z years old and his aunt is uh, 4z minus 3 years old. So what will you write? Jagu is 4 times. His uncle is 4z. Okay, Jagu's uncle is 4 times older than Jagu. Jagu's uncle is 4 times older than Jagu, and his aunt is 3 years younger than his uncle, because uncle was 4z. Now, E part. In an arrangement of dots, there are arrows. Each row contains 5 dots. Okay. How many dots? 5 dots. Yes. So how you will write? In an arrangement, total number of dots is equal to 5 times the number of rows. This is 5 times the number of rows. Now, this question, answer of all these statements you will write in your notebook yourself, children. Now let us start with question number 3. Given Manu's age to be x years, can you guess that what x minus 2 may show? Think of Manu's younger brother. Okay. Can you guess what x plus 4 may show? What 3x plus 7 may show? Yes, you can write in your own word. Okay. And that is not Manu. This is Munnu. That means Munnu's age is x years. Okay. Munnu's age is x years and his younger brother's age is 2 years. Okay. Less. And elder brother is 4 years more. Okay, that is x plus 4 is showing the age of elder brother, and this age may be of his mother or his mother's age. Yes, his mother, because 3 times plus 7 may be mother or father's age. So you may write like that. Now next one, B part. Given Sarah's age today is, let me rub, then I hope you understood, children. Now let us start with question number B part. Given Sarah's age today to be Y year. Think of her age in the future or in the past. What will be the following expression indicate? That is 7 year x y plus 7. That means this is about future after 7 years. Okay, this will be after 7 years. And this is 3 years back. Y minus 3 means 3 years back. And this is after 4.5 years, and this is before, that means 2.5 years back. So I am just reading and explaining you how you have to write. So you will write, children. Now next, C part. Given n students in the class like football, what may 2n show? What may n by 2 show in? Think of the games other than football. Okay, that means they badminton. It may be badminton. 2n, that may be the 2n shows twice of the number. Okay, number of children those like badminton is twice than the number of students those like football. This may be any other game also you may write. And what is n by 2? And that means half of the children of that class they like cricket or any other game. Chess you may write, tennis you may write. Okay, so this is the way you have to write in the form of statements. Ordinary statements you have to make. Now children, 11.4 is over. Along with this exercise you have to start revision of chapters from 6 to 10th. I hope you understood. If any doubt, you may write in the comment box.